What the fuck are you doing? Walk the door. Walk. I can't go around, buddy. I can't go around you.
Don't bring a light up my ass, jackass. I'll break your fucking lights out. You know, I'll break them out. I'll bust your mirror off.
Hey, buddy, guess what? You're on camera.
I don't care. Go around me.
Dude.
Engage me.
I'm not... Dude.
Four corners, 10 miles an hour.
Dude.
No.
Oh my god.
Fucking hell.
What? What
This
happened?
dude just ran into me.
Are you okay?
I just crushed my fucking car.
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, I will,
I'm coming to you. Where are you?
Everyone is alive and well. Those things happen.
What the fuck, dude? Ah! Oh, damn it! Asshole! My god, dude. Are you fucking retarded? What is wrong with you?
One question, how did he end up there?
Holy shit.
Video protected.
The man was just sitting in the car when suddenly an accident happened.
Oh my fucking god.
The dude decided that he can't do anything today.
Doing? I don't have to move for you. Idiot. How fucking dumb do you have to be? Where's your fucking brake pedal? Huh? Where's your brake pedal? What, you think you're just gonna intimidate me off the fucking road? Come on, cut me off. Hit me, motherfucker. Fuck you. I ain't intimidated. I ain't gonna fucking move an inch, bitch. Fucking scrub.
Bruh.
I don't even know if he should laugh or cry here.
Makes me super mad. Hunter's an amazing kid. Hunter knows that he's gonna be there, gonna support him, gonna love him, especially as he's becoming a dad himself. But unfortunately,
Unpleasant situation.
That was smart.
What?
They got the gas nozzle.
They just ripped the gas nozzle out. Wow.
That's why they have those couplers. And I got it on camera.
You fucking moron.
Parking master, 10 out of 10.
You just hit the car! Bro! You just fucking hit that car! Dumbass!
A new traffic lane has opened in Canada.
Manual recording will now start.
This is his first car.
man! Fuck's sake, man!
They are.
I kind of went
Yeah, I
back.
went up and shook it and hit it, and I was like, oh my god, what are you doing? What the?
Well, I think we all know what happened there.
He was going way too fast. Whoa! What?
Where did it fly from? Parking Master 2.0. Result: broken mirror. Accident in India.
वो बिलमों को अलग कर देता था।
पर्सनल टच हुआ करता था मैनेजमेंट का टीचर्स का बच्चों के साथ, वो पूरा खत्म हो चुका है।
और उसमें मतलब मैनेजमेंट का तो रोल है ही है, प्लस माँ बाप का भी रोल।
The driver is excellent. Great response. He saw an accident for the first time and filmed it.
Oh my god, no way!
Parents, please keep an eye on your children.
Feces contaminated surfaces.
Fucking shithead, man. Idiots never fucking miss an exit.
Sorry.
It's fine. My heart rate didn't even jump.
And then you can say, why, Cat, the leaves was making a mozza.
Why the fuck are you...
resolutions is being better with money. So I've started using Upside, the free app that pays you cash back for buying gas. Wait a minute. Are you saying you actually get paid cash when you buy gas with the Upside app?
Fucking
Thanks for watching. While this guy is doing something weird, please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you enjoyed it. Please leave comments about what you had like to see added or removed.